The 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: heated front and rear seats, front fog lights, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.